when you're a small or medium-sized oil and gas company, you're always looking at how you're going to structure your capital for the next deal. And this is an ideal place to be, to gain those contacts or to mature relationships.
You see the quality of the speakers, the panelists, and the themes that are being discussed. It's what's important to us as industry players.
This is a place I actually meet everyone, and the best deals are done in these kind of places. When you put all these executives together in one room for 2 days, and we share information, we share ideas.